Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bootstrap tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this series of tutorials, we are going to learn about the most popular framework of HTML and CSS named Bootstrap. So, we saw all the different kinds of buttons, tables, including, and in this session we are going to cover the spinners and pagination of particular website. So, you have seen various different loading icons which goes round and round and round while loading the screen, and you have seen some paginations which are like numbers. They have the previous button, next button and various different numbers in them. Well, that are the page numbers of particular website. And you must have seen a structure like this. Well, this is called as breadcrumbs. Well, Bootstrap has some inbuilt classes to display all those things. Well, without wasting any further time, let's take an example. Well, in here I have got a div class container and we'll give it margin top 5. And in that particular container I am going to write spinner border text muted. So what is this? Well, let's see it in browser. Well, you can see this kind of loading icon which I talked about previously. So that's the light gray color of spinner. Well, that is due to the contextual colors. Well, let's see some more examples with different colors. Well, can you see that various different colors of that particular loading icon which are called as spinner? In this particular loading icon, we are having one more variant. Now let's go to that. We'll just remove all these and we'll change this class to group. Now let's see. Well, this is another kind of icon in loading. Okay, so we will try this also in various different kind of contextual colors. Primary, danger, warning, and then success. Well, these are the loading icons. Now let's try that in CSS only. Well, I'll hide that particular CDN, we'll save it and we'll reload the page. Well, you cannot see anything because in CSS you will have to give all the transform, then all the WebKit animations and all. But in Bootstrap, due to the CDN, it gets all that animation properties from the server side. Okay. So these are the loaders. Now moving forward to pagination. In pagination we will have to use a UL tag. Well, the basic list tag, and we'll have to give the list class page item we'll close this and we'll open an anchor tag, and that will be page link. Okay, so we can give it as 1, and we'll have to use a class pagination. We'll copy this particular and we'll paste it 2 to 3 times. Now let's see it in browser. Well, this is the pagination. Well, you can add 2 things as well in that particular thing. Well, we can write previous and we can write next. Now you must have seen this particular kind of thing in a website under a particular page. So we can particularly give a link to the going previous for the first page, second page, third page, and the next page of that particular website. Well, this was the pagination, but there is another kind of pagination which most of the websites use. So we will see that also, and we can have a particular active pagination item also by just adding a active class. Well, let's see. We'll just have to add active in that particular page item class, and then you can see that the number 1 page is active. It means that you are on the first page of that website. So moving on, we are having another kind of pagination called as breadcrumbs. We'll change the class breadcrumb, okay, and we will change it to, we'll copy this, breadcrumb item, okay, and we will have to remove the class from a tag. We can give href to the in that particular anchor tag for the link, like href, and we can give any link of that particular page. So we will give just hash for now, and we'll save it and we'll see what's the output. Well, you have seen this kind of particular just under the navbar in some of the websites. Well, this is called breadcrumbs. So in this session we covered all the animated spinners, we covered the pagination, we covered breadcrumbs. In future coming classes we will learn more about Bootstrap. So till then, keep coding and happy learning. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.